welcome back to my channel, me, Vasu. In today's video, we are going to do a eyeshadow look with blue and gold. Without any delay, let's go into the video. In today's video, as we are focusing on our eye makeup, I completed my skincare routine makeup as well, and now let's proceed with our eye makeup with blue and gold. I will be using my eyeshadow palette from Eloise. Using this blue and this gold shade, a little bit of base. I will be using the shade named Honorable, which is a light brown shade, and I'll just create a line in my crease area. Before applying the eyeshadow itself, try to imagine the shape you want to have for your eyeshadow look and then do it accordingly. And I'm repeating the same with my other eye as well. Applying eyeshadow in the crease area lifts up the eye look. Buff it a little bit so that it will not have that harsh line, but we will have that shape that we are looking for. And on top of this, we will use our blue shade. Now let's start with our actual blue shade, which is named as Thorn. Gel pencil that I got from Color Bar, I guess, I'm not sure on that. I'll use this to create the shape that I want on the outer corners and the inner corners. I'm creating these liner wings with my blue shade so that I will have the actual shape that I'm trying to create with my eyeliner as well. And I'm continuing to fill just below the crease area that we have created now. Don't worry about how it is coming in the inside corner of your shape, but because we will obviously fill it with our blue. I'm just going to my inner corner. At times I feel like doing this eye shading is just similar like painting, where we create the outlines. Now I will fill it. Now that we have outlined the outer area of the eyes, the inner corner is done. Filling up with the eye shade of our choice of color is very easy now. I'm repeating the same process to the other eye as well. Just leaving a little bit of gap so that I wanted to have the golden shade there, and then I will take it forward. Now I'm using this shade named as Rani, which is a golden shade and exactly matches to my brows. I'll apply it on my eyeball in the middle so that the golden shade is there. Not only you can use gold as a combination, you can even use golden shade anytime just on the eyeball, and it will give a very natural highlighting look. When you blink your eyes, it will just give that shine. I'm using a flat brush and using the same blue shade to create a liner below my waterline. Outlining your lower eye line with the eye shade is completely optional and it's a personal choice. Only if you're comfortable we can do it, otherwise it's not mandatory. Now it's time to highlight my inner corners with the golden eye shade as well. Try creating a very light small V near the inner corners and it will look awesome. Using my Araceli eyeliner which I got from Ipsy. I'm really liking this because it has a very wonderful tip, very thin, and it comes out very well. Now let's do the eyeliner. I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your eyeliner very easily. I will add it in the cards here and you can check it out. To add some extra dramatic look to my eyes, I'm using my e.l.f. eyelashes. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This will keep very light on my natural lashes, and then when I apply my false lashes, it will look good. If there is any eye shade that has fell on top of your lashes also, it will take away and keep it black. glued the false lashes before applying my mascara so that it will have some time to settle down, and then the false lashes will stick strong to my eyes. I have also made a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to apply false lashes, and I will add that link here as well. If you want, you can please go check out there. If you are attending any grand parties, I would highly recommend to use false lashes because it will completely change the look. Using my kajal pencil from the brand Faces. I always prefer using a kajal whenever I am planning to have a traditional look. This is mandatory for me. Don't forget to apply to your upper waterline as well, and be very careful while doing it. I'm just wiping off the water and creating the correct shade. I think we got that perfect blue and gold eyes. Now it's time for a setting spray. I'm using my hand fan which I purchased from Dollar Tree. Let's do our hair and earrings. Finding that right pair of earrings for any occasion is a very tough job. And this is the final blue and gold eyeshadow look that I created. Hope you will also like this eyeshadow look. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Me, Vasu.